your advice? Should I fix this house? Because Gofundme wanna give me the money day. Police don't.
How about Betty, one of UK? You don't use another style to come out. Hey, my people. Una remember say Albert open GoFundMe. E don dey go 1 month now. When he open the GoFundMe, where be say double cheat give am that gbos gbas. Wey come say he no dey here again he neko na. Me, I know the kind of person wey be Albert. Most people never know the kind of person wey be oba na he be otoregbe. As he open the GoFundMe, he say na so he go drag double chief. He go carry and go this one. He go carry and go the other one. He go do this one. He can't open now. He can't ask for. I not can remember again whether na 1,000 something or be 2,000 something. When he see say all those mumu people wey not know wetin dem dey use money till they do for abroad, they don't dey put money. He can't go higher. He can't put am for 5,000. Now remember, when I can't do video, can't put am for 5,000. Now then, we still there since so the money it don't reach 4,000. As Abba is no now say don't remain small, make the money complete. Abba don't change mind though. I tell una before now. When I go watch my video, I tell una before. I say this money about one use and take do another thing. Then he go come and say, now they can't tell and say, now they can't say, make it just wait, make it do this. I tell una go and watch my video. You see people like Albert, we know them. We know the way they take the act. We know the way they take the do. But if you don't want just talk, you just leave them, let them just the mumu for them. Albert way come and tell us, say Obazee is doing well. He never show us one thing where Obazee do. Albert way come out now, they bring video where be say Edo can't be like another thing. Who live on like that, my people? May we dey talk truth, oh. May we dey talk truth. Who live on like that? Not be person where he come out, not be live on dirty. Nah. You understand? No matter say this one where they so we go they see the watch am whether they do well or not. Because when the one way come out to not do well, he can't leave something. Later, you where they work for the one way do not do well, you can't tell say this one way they now, you know they do well. Meaning you are not telling us that person where he come out, he not just do anything. Now what he not do now you they bring console. When I understand my people, more than not let people they use on a brain again. I will put the video where about do concern this GoFundMe. He can't do video, can't bring and come and say. Una remember a house where be say he thought say na Tony Kabaka na him destroy this one, the other one. So people can't tell and say when the house may he just kukuma sell am, abi may he just repair am. About say the money wanna donate where you want to take lawyer. Now where yan gberi yan mu yega is your boy double chief oh like ye keladian. He say he want use the money to go renovate house. Area mo ya gbe. Why you not just come direct? Tell them say, I just the bragado. I no fit do anything with this double chief. Mona give me money. I want go renovate my house. All your mumu people wey still donate, they go still give you now because why they not they ask you say about where we here. Where you see most of una way they throw away money. Una no know wetin dem dey use money to do. Mona they keep am. Keep your money. I don't say me wanna not help people. You see people where really they in need. Give them. Not be people like this one. Person where sit down for live video, they shout up and down. It not be only they shout. He work with governor. They give out Kenyan. You go still carry your money where they say you don't go work. All your legs they pay you, body they pay you. You go they give about where they shout. About where they tell you say beneath goods, everything they shine. It can't run, can't sit down for UK. And you well, common sense, one I not get. If I come out now say make una give me, una not go give me. Una not go give me. Now say no, we not give her. But person where they prending giro, where they use una brain, say they play ball, now not like. Why be like that? People they where be say they really need this money. Una know they give. I know come and tell people say don't give people money. But if you give person money, do one with that thing where you say one do. About why you can't change your mind now? Because you know say you no go fit. You want take lawyer for UK, you no go fit try now. fair tell you. I say, make you join enters. If person give you blow, you go give them back. Now self-defend. Otherwise, who worry your job for nothing? They can't tell you, say, open Gofundme. Now you say you want money, you want to go carry and go renovate house. Which house you want even go renovate? That be need, you know they go again. We're marrying young wejo. Ija. So say you want renovate and you want put on for sale. About you know go branch that Edo State again. Benin City where you live. Why you go sit down for Lagos? Now that one go just go for you. Just even that Lagos where you want vote they say. If they see you, I go see where more dear do. Wait till you use your mouth take talk. You go repeat am again for that Benin City. He said now na money want to renovate. I go put the video for now. About when we na. About go sit down for inside house. The trauma we go palace. He wife mama, he there for there. He wife mama, he there for inside their house for there. The day where about they talk say Mary Grow can contest for governor. He wife mama they there. When they do that video, the woman can tell and say he want pass. Be like say want go take something for fridge. Or where go make show he call J. On a two any job with him. He dead there. Now see on life. As soon as take go ring road, more na sit down go look on her life. Whether na so as it be before, whether na so it be now. Eni na uneru leave van there. Eni na uneru. You see that UK where you dey so. You don't ever see Oyibo where he come out. He go call the trauma. They go their own palace. They still get their own palace. They still get their own palace. They will never try it. But now na take the fufu no. I wait total na hey. Gima sit down look na be dog oh. See una life. As all of una take go ring road. Mona go sit down. Mona go bring video one fair they do that time. And now whether na the same as so na be. About there for abroad be like person where they for Libya. Any cow in here they know they sleep. As far as say they buy you for that those states, then you can't come abroad. You say nothing they happen. You come from here they throw mans. Your planchetta ni ya be where it there for that those states. Those states in your turn no edge. Ija. Emi na uneru. Make una just dey play with the here with the wash una. Wa do me wa ge asunu wa be about wa when we dey here with the look una. Here where the now who taguja about ye iwuja. If you see in life, just watch and see whether na so it be before. So you know if you can't do anything again, you know what take lawyer. The lawyer say may you fair hold on. I be your police they say may you fair hold on. My people, me never hear this kind of thing. I don't still take for abroad. If I want go do donation, nobody go tell me say make I hold on. Now and na my rights. I go paka. Oh yeah. We have your boy also find me yeke. No say lawyer but when they not be when you say they say may you hold on. They say this one. Who they tell you may you hold on? Go ahead. You say person slap you, yeah, now go ahead. Go do donation. Even though say they thief your pencil, even though say they thief your slippers, you fit go do anything donation. You go there, na me or this one that one. You know the man, you know everything. He say you don't even need the address. He say may you just tell Uber mama they carry you come, they'll carry and go, they'll carry you go there. So now you want to go renovate your house. The house where you not go let it. When he does, he say the money don't go up. About when about come the bragado for now. Una way do the donation. Most of una mama they beg una say Christmas they come. Wa marry again wa ha mewe in no day. People will just sit down because about una say one really take lawyer. Una come they say na truth for abroad for you want take lawyer. Person wey be say na only one leg it stand for the UK. Wey be say petition don't fully head for the UK. Una come dey happy say one really go take lawyer. Eto wa me wana ya zena bat. Aba na so go dey wash una brain every blessed day. Go wash am for una. Use emi anti varekino mi anti oya bleach. Go bleach and throw away. Shame on you, Abba. So you know if you take lawyer again. You know want face double chief again. It don't change maths. Now you want go renovate herself. Even talk for inside say Tony come back her house where they destroyed. He go they look person sila. No man sok pase but no when you feel igbe. I'll put the video more and watch. When we ya ge wase omodia no wa. When I have your mother, when you had your here le. I wa ye here way.
So, guys, now my house be this for Amagba community in Imadoma Street. I be this. This land, when I buy this land, now machine, this road, now machine, now I enter from Amagba Town Hall. Get one woman who they call Madam Owo. Now there I park my car, come enter machine. This road, where everybody they pass away Obazee contact, there was no road. I take come here 2010 and 2009. I buy this land. I started to walk. I can't live. I can't do that rich free. Because this area never open. Only me know coffee stay inside bush. Now you hear me so, now I live I can travel. As I come back, late 2011, I come to myself, see that I lost a Belisima hotel. I said, why not? People thought they stay near that place. Now I just go finish up. I can move go there. All the Bisbee already not built the house, but never complete time, but just move in, use bamboo stick, take connect light. Our neighbors that time, my neighbors now bamboo all they can connect light. There was no direct light to this area. As I come in 60 days from roofing, they put roof, POP, 60 days. 60 days, a month or 2 weeks. Every 2 I see for years. So since that 2012, I never do renovation. Since that 2012, I never taught one thing. Now what I built, I don't understand that that's 30 years ago. I be this. Because when I be the plan renovation, I want just do the compound one kind. Because this land right there near me, I don't almost buy and finish. Something happened, so I just remove my knife. This house, I told the Kabaka, go scatter. He said, I thought say EFCC arrest him. And EFCC really arrest him. He called that tell us anything me down. They beg EFCC, okay, make you release him. Just because I thought say EFCC arrest him for naira mutilation. Tony Kabaka leave the boys. They come scatter my house. We don't give police everything to prove saying that Tony come my house. Police under CP Agbonika, they refuse to handle this matter. Now my house be this. Till tomorrow, if we say talk, when we say daddy, I've just fixed my favorite Nigerian house. Because I hear the boy for grow. Now here the boy even get comfort past where we did now for UK. This house has 6 bedroom, 2 parlor. Everything well furnished from front to back. So the boy, if he play around the compound, the boy is still look, he still want that day where we'll still go back. Make it still get that feel of this house. They talk everything, my favorite Nigerian house. This house small, but there was comfort in this house. When we say comfort, if I don't enter inside this house, they're not born you where to come meet me for inside this house. You will lost for inside this house. It's small, but you will lost inside. I told you go scatter. So since that time, police said they investigate. They couldn't do it. Couldn't do much. The young guys when they do back flats, I don't know them before. They're not my relative. I just told me to them. The young brilliant guys, I dragged them closer. When they finished NYC, I said my house free. My younger ones did not travel that time. Julius and Beck, and they did back flat before. They don't come out. Furnished, nothing, not to where they break. I say my house is free. I don't to like tenant like that. Mona Costi. How much tenant one pay? That time they were paying 800, I'll be 900,000 before I come out. Now this area is around 2.5, 2 million, 2.5 now to carry rent, to rent that place. And they stay. So since Tony Kabaka scattered this place, the house could be like jungle. They don't kill snake for this house like twice. The reptiles come they enter. Mosquito. So they don't really fit talk to me. The guys will go to tell my wife, say, I beg go, the house yours, you know. So I be also okay. Since police ever through the investigation and all that, I don't know whether maybe police will need to come back again. There's no point of doing the house. But the complaint not too much. Now I'm going here one day and some snake bite one of them, something happen. Now be the house now. So what is your advice? Should I fix this house? Because Gofundme and give me the money day. Police don't tell me say, make I hold on lawyer. Now I let them do their investigation first before I go bring in lawyer for here. So money day with me. Now send me the money. And I know say many of them will gladly happy say now money, I take fix this house. If Tony Kabaka, if I decide to fix this house, and Tony go back to scattering again, I will create Gofundme again to fix them again. But every crime that Tony Kabaka has committed, that state will pay. And not the Obazee wey talk say, you forgive all the nonsense wey like do, make it focus. No. The government that will fight past government, that we correct the errors of the past, this current Ozibobo government, and the government will still work, is coming. Tony Kabaka, you must pay for your sins. That was why will not give you 1 billion for your house. We don't reach 16 rooms hotel, for your hotel we don't reach 18 rooms where they scatter. I gave you 1 billion because the man is spraying money around. So many have advised that since Okpebolo said don't come to Nigeria, sell the house. So it's okay, renovate time again, put tenants. What if I put tenants tomorrow and still go scatter around? So what do you guys advise? Should I fix this house or I should now live on like this? What do you guys advise? Let me know in the comment section.